everyone, Happy New Year. As you can see, we are in a blizzard right now. We've had over 2 feet in the last 3 days and it's still snowing. So this is basically prepping 101 for winter and also in case there's a power outage. As you can see, as I'm going over this way, I'm pointing to let you know that all this snow and all this heavy snow can easily cause a power outage. And honey, you're with me. If you want to add to that, you can.
Yeah, so before the storm started, I made sure my generator was working and full of gas. I made sure my four-wheeler was full of gas and ready to go, and that my snowblower was ready with gas and ready to go. So, and I've already plowed and snowblowed about 5 times. You would never know it by looking at our driveway. But this is exactly like Lori just said. This is why we prep, because we don't know. We're going to get more than 5 or 6 inches more of snow tonight.
Look at our doggies, son.
They're in the house. They're smart. They're the smart ones. But this snow is supposed to keep coming down for several more hours. And if it does, there could easily be a power outage. We might not be able to get anywhere for a few days or longer. We don't know. We don't know what the roads look like at all. And so that's exactly what we talk about. You know, better to be prepared and not need it than need it and not be prepared. We're ready. Yeah, you can see here. And this now, the snow hasn't even started drifting yet. And you can see we've got a couple of feet already. And it hasn't started drifting. Now the winds are supposed to start picking up and we're supposed to start getting even more drifting of this snow.
They were saying 40
yeah.
to 50 mile per hour winds.
Right.
So we're in for a little bit of trouble.
Exactly. But we're prepared for it. We have our generator.
Also, we've been plugging in our wire to
right. Yep.
Because it was warmer, then it kind of got colder.
Yeah. So, also, we've started up the wood stove and we have pellets and wood for the wood stove. So we're prepared for that. So we've been preparing for an emergency just like this might happen. They're calling this the blizzard of 24. And since we've lived here, I have not seen this much snow in this short a period of time.
In this area? Yeah, the last 15 years living here, hon? No.
Yeah, nothing like this.
We've not seen snow like this in a short amount of time. Yeah.
Right.
So, yeah, we're going to get close to 3 feet in less than a week. So that's...
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
And we are in the Wisconsin Dells area, so we're not really way up north. So this is very unusual. So, but Happy New Year, everybody. And I hope you'll enjoy the video. It's going to be basic and short, but about prepping for winter in case of a power outage. And if you don't have a power outage, have fun with it.
Yeah, right. And check out our other videos, like and subscribe, because we've done a lot of videos that have led up to this video to show how to be prepared just in case something like this were to happen. And here we are. Not saying we caused this, but...
So, and then we'll have a video up here or a video up here. Yeah, please like and subscribe if you like prepping videos. And we're realistic. We know it's not the end of the world, but you have to prepare for the situation of this could last 30 days, something could last 2 months. Are you ready?
Yeah, we don't know how long this is going to last. We know the snow is going to continue and the winds are going to continue. And from here, we're supposed to get bitter cold temperatures. We're supposed to be -19 by Monday, and it's Friday now. So this could be quite a power outage if that were to happen, followed by extremely cold weather. So stay safe, stay warm, everyone.
Yep, we love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll have Andrew add a little bit to this for the video. And if you have any questions, just shoot us in the comments, okay? Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm ready for this snow. I've got to go shovel more, I've got to snowblow more, I've got to plow more. And again, we're hoping the power doesn't go out, but if it does, we're prepared. We have our generator ready, we have our wood stove ready, we've got all of our different forms of lighting and candles ready that we showed you in some of our other videos. We actually have cook stoves if we did need a cook stove, if we end up with a major power outage for any extended period of time. Check out those videos and you'll see exactly how we got prepared for this storm, what they're calling the blizzard of 24. And hopefully you get some useful information out of this and you like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And I've shoveled how many times already?
5.
Whoa. Go to mama. Go to mama. Good girls. Go to mama. Good girl. Go to mama. red dot means we're filming, right?
Yep.
Whoa. That means I'm falling.
Careful.
Yeah.
Your doggy left you a surprise.
So here we go in the blizzard of 24. So again, one of the things I do for Lori for her cardio is I have her walk through the deep snow, which is a great exercise. But now I'm walking through it. Wait a second. Oh man, we have never had this much snow here, for sure.
It's funny when the weather gets like this. My tore ACL and MCL just starts aching and hurting like it's weak, my knee. So I know that we got a lot of snow and that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we've never had this much snow since we've lived here. Lori's gonna wander off into the snow and spend some time with nature. Bye, honey. Be safe. Don't forget to write. And there she goes on a nature hike in the blizzard of 24. Now she returns from her blizzard of 24 hike. Were you one with nature?
I was something like out of breath. Whew. Well, if you're not in shape for prepping, you're not prepared. Even when you're 60 like me. Bye everybody. Stay safe.